So, fun fact, if you double click the start streaming button, it apparently starts and then immediately kills your stream. That's cool. Oh my god. Bot on new stream. Currently, whoops, currently live right now. There we are. Alright, hopefully that fixes it. Everybody can figure out. Hey, you see me typing above head. What? Hey, Artene, how's it going? YouTube's being weird, I'm dealing with a lot of weird BS, which is fun, but I mean, hey, here we go, I guess. Why do I hear myself like 6 times? You can go away. That shouldn't be happening because I am not really in the current state or place or whatever to do that, so that's cool. So like, where the hell is that coming from? No, not you. No. Nope. 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 Where the frick are you? Or is it from like here? That's where it was. Cool. Okay, carrying on, I guess. Yeah, doing TwitchBot things. Hell yeah. Let's see. Let me just fix a ping real quickly. Because YouTube is weird. Gaming stream when? As soon as I fix this fucking bot issue, because I'm still fucking struggling with this. Because, okay, long story short of what's happening is I put it like this earlier in the Discord when trying to chat with some other people. The entire issue is that for some reason the handshake is not happening properly for stuff. So that's a pain in the ass. The stream works now. No, it doesn't actually, because the window that you see as well as my tuber are both frozen because I can't effortlessly stream from macOS to here now. So that's a bit of a pain in the ass, but hey, we'll get it sorted. Let me just fix this real quickly. There we are. Okay, the capture's been restarted. There we are. So we're gonna try to get this shit working now. So long story short, this still needs to be edited and customizable. You'll see right now, here's kind of the new layout, right? So if I just very quickly clear these, you'll see, like, as an example, I can do click to complete. You'll see it gets the streams. I don't know why it says there's 2 of them right now, but sure. Anyways, I can click on that. You'll see, like, it does stuff. Hey, look it, messages are suddenly working now, and I can get items, which is exactly the issue that I was having before. So we can see here, if we go to the snippet, we should see, yep, there's the hello from, I believe this is the message from Artene. Artiano. Publish that, live chat, author details, or author ID is that. Does that just tell me? Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's 010 here. There we are. So, okay, so this one's suddenly working while the last one wasn't. That was cool. The stream works now? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, let's get some NCS stuff, because, yeah, cool. NCS playlist. Top 50, shuffle it. Cool. We can have that one in the background for the music, because I am going to jam through it. Oh, let me do this real quickly, because I was not intending to have NCS stuff, but I guess we sir. Let me go like this. We're going to grab this. Let's see. We're just going to go back down to here. Music from... Boop. Save it. Alright. That can go away now. Boop, go away. We're back here. Stream is still cooking. Yes, it is. Okay, existence is good. I was trying to fuck around with AI for a second because I was at wit's end. I still don't know how anybody deals with AI. Honestly, it's fucking insane to me. So, that's absolutely insane to me. But anyways, that's cool. Okay, so what am I doing now? So now... the live chat messages are apparently working. The issue, though, is that there's a handoff issue. So if we look at right here, we can see returning data from get chat messages. So that's the same message that's happening right here. But then the fucking issue is that the data is correct, right? Like, it's valid data. But then when this function returns, and it returns back to here, it fucking just shits the bed. Right here. I tried to do a async thing here, which wasn't really working out too well. So let's just go back a bit, I guess. We'll go to like here, I guess. Just gonna go back to a save to when the thing didn't happen. Let's try here. Does that get rid of the async? I don't know if it does or doesn't. Does it? Does it? Does it? Does it? No. 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 Actually, yeah, let's just do that. Then we're gonna do like this, we're gonna do like that. Okay. So now we can quit you. Okay. So now is basically the issue is explicitly with this line. Because the issue is that this function right here, when it returns data, is not returning the data, right? Which is what my entire issue is. So it's just like, how come no one else chatting? Because this is a coding stream, and I'm streaming super late than I normally do, so the entire ebb and flow of streaming has just been completely neutered today. This is why I don't mess with your stream schedule too much. Okay, anyways, so let's just do a quick test. So if I go into here, and then I just do something like let's do async. We're just gonna name this one test, and I'm gonna go, what the fuck? Async test, and then we're just gonna do something like data is equal to, we'll say an array of like 1, 2, 3. I guess I'll make the first value 0, just so it's more obvious. And then we want to go here, and then we want to go return, return data. Okay. So we do that, and we do await test. Whoops. Whoops. Wait, test is not defined. Oh wait, async test. Oopsies. Async function test. Boop. And then now if we do a white test, that should return the array. It does. So they'll, hey Cody, how's it going? You're just never in chat. I mean, hey, that works too. But hey, hopefully you enjoy the alert, Cody. I mean, I think people might still want to chat with you. I mean, maybe, sometimes. I'm frozen, I am. Yay, thank you so much, oh yes! I love you. I love you. You're awesome and amazing and cool, and that is everything I wanted more. Okay, anyways, carrying on. Okay. Breathe. So why is this handoff failing is the entire question. Because the handoff here is literally just trying to return the data. No. We're not going to do that one. What? This is like some 2016 shit. Sure, that one, I guess, works. Called me mucho flashbango, but what the fuck? Okay, I am going to, I guess, just carry on forward. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Volby, just in case you blow something up, we still going to be the original mods kept, right? Yeah, no, that's basically the intent. The thing is that at some point I basically intend to force mods to use like this as an external tool, but I have no reason to like limit mods, basically, right? So mods can still be mods. It's just that there's going to be like a restructuring once the bot is actually functioning in the form that I want it to be. But that's restructuring like the way that you are a mod instead of like, you know, whatever. To be live when? Like, are you talking about the bot? Tony, question mark? Because if so, hopefully as soon as possible. The issue is the stupid fucking handoff. Which is... My guess is that there's nothing going wrong there. My guess is that it's something to do with, like, this over here. Where it's, like, messages. Is it just because it's not async? No, it should definitely be an async function. Yeah, it's an async function. So if it's not an async function, or if it is an async function, then that means that the error would be right here. The error is literally, like, right here. Because if I then go like this, I actually gotta redo this. So I need to grab my API key real quickly. We're the Praetorian Guards? I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about, Bubs. I have actually zero idea. Like, I mean this, like, with a completely straight face. I have zero clue. When will the boy live? Today. I am going to make it happen, even if it requires me staying up till, like, 2 in the morning. Roman Imperial Army mentioned. Neat. News to me. I don't know these things. Alright. Oh, no, you can see right here there's 19 items. So it is functioning. There is existence that is happening. The issue is that value from messages is it's literally erroring right here. Do I need to do like a dot then fucking result and then return res? Is that what I need to do? Is it something absolutely buffoonerific like that? Nope. Alright, let's just try this. Maybe there's some pass-through thing that I'm being absolutely dumb with. Maybe it's something like this. I'll do, like, messages. We're gonna like this. Cool, awesome, thrilling, amazing, cool, send it. Nope, still... Wait. Is object. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We might have progress.json. Hold on. Stringify the object, please, so I can view it in the terminal. Load, send. Processing YouTube messages that stringify is not a function. It should be, but we'll do it like this, I guess. We're gonna do JSON.stringify. We're gonna try send it like that. We're gonna load, send it. JSON is not a function. It might be lowercase, and I'm just tripping in that regards. JSON, because that should be fucking JSON. JSON's not the What? Glory to the Emperor? What? Wait, I'm just gonna ignore that and go on. Okay, anyway, so if I do like, we'll do like object is equal to, we'll just say key, and then we'll do value, so we now have an object, right? So it should be JSON dot... Oh, is it stringifying this, the object in here? OBJ? Nope. I could have sworn it was capital JSON. JSON... Oh, it is capital JSON. Okay, I see the structure issue. I did not interpret it that way. JSON.stringify message. Alright, let's go like that. We're gonna send it. Bop, bop. YouTube messages could, X fucking excuse me? Oh, did not mean to open up cool retro term. Cannot access lexical declaration that. So it's not waiting. Which is a massive fucking issue, might be why it's doing this. Because if it's doing that, then I need to do that. I forgot how to block until an await resolves. JavaScript, block until await resolves. You sure? Like, yeah, baby! I hate my current stream setup. I am so glad that the stream rig is done. And all I need to do is just iron it out. And just get some of the things done. Because it's basically done. Block until async function finishes. I need it. Oh, nobody answers this. Okay, awesome. Async await versus blocking. Async expression, return new promise equals can also be rejected. Yeah, I understand the concept of whatever it's called. I need to wait until the function is resolved, which is the issue. Control flow. I could just abstract this into a whole function, I guess. I could do something along the lines of, like, say, okay, like, once this resolves, then I call a function named... I really don't like the function stacking, though. I really don't wanna fucking do that. Live damn you, exactly. That is the current suffering that I have. Oh, it makes me want to shake something. Anyways, cause like, realistically, I should just be able to go like this, and then shove all of this within here. So just right before the catch, I should be able to just go for a game. Bloop. Actually, no, wait. Bloop. Like that, and then that should work. And we go like that, and then we just turn this to an async, like that, and then bap. It's done. So now if I do this... Oops. I got flashbang there because I wasn't expecting that. I was like, what? Can I access like some message before initialization? Messages. There's message there, but that's within the function. Is that because there's somewhere down here that's mentioning the message? Where the actual frick is it? Oh, well, no shit, it came from the error. How about you show me the line that the error came on? Oh, debug.print. Okay, that might be why I didn't recognize it. Message. No. Message equals message I. No, that's fine. So it'd be somewhere else above. Messages. I see. You got messages. Okay, there we are. Then start back to here. Error accessing messages before X fucking excuse 461. That's right here. I mean, I guess that might make sense. We're just gonna send this messages, and that should fix a bunch of issues. Load, send. No. Okay, so it is returning data now, at least. So then, I guess just move the return inside of that? Or is it already inside of that and I'm absolutely tripping shits? Am I tripping shits? Oh, that should not have been indented. Okay. This is making so little sense to me, but okay. Because, yeah, we got all that. We got that. Okay. Then we're processing the messages, and then we're doing a thing. So messages received got... It's returning. Blank again! Why are you returning blank? Wait. Value from messages is... What? What? Hello, one. How's it going? What the fuck? Why is it printing valid here? But then here it's returning blank. This one dot stringify. Why? What? Has a bubba? What? It is somehow being erased between here and here. And I have no fucking idea how. I am befuddled. I am confused. I am enamored. I am flabbergasted. I have no fucking idea how this is working. What? How are you completely valid here? You're good here. But then after that you shit the bed. Do I mutate messages at any point? Alright, messages doesn't seem to be mutated. Okay, it mutates there. So let's remove that. We're gonna like that, I guess. We're gonna like bat. Okay, we're gonna like that, because that doesn't need to live in there. Then, and only then, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna then change this to res. Then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do const messages is equal to res. That should function. Because now this messages part here cannot be changed. If this ever changes shit in the bed. So look, remember when you asked me a while what your first one would be? I said something themed with my profile picture. Then Thanacly, my persona. I think so. Going great. I'm glad to hear you're going great. When I am on the edge of crash out. Okay. How the actual fuck is that happening? Is it something to do with like the debug print? Is that what's happening? Message variable. Oh, the variable is never printing. Why the fuck was the variable never printing? Why the fuck was the variable never printing? What? A debug print. Is it because of this the entire time and I've been barking up the completely wrong tree? Oh, don't tell me that's the case. Don't tell me that's the case. Oh, I'm fine. That's cool. That's cool. That's fine. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go. We're gonna do a quick EX. Oh, I'm frozen too. Wonderful. Let's fix that real quickly. What the fuck was that? That was me fucking screaming. Oh, it's your birthday? Heck yeah, one. Happy birthday. I wish I could do more than this, but I'm currently suffering and slamming my head against the table. Oh, yeah. Okay, anyways, beep boop. We're gonna go to lib. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna just make this debug print dot NJS. Doop. Let's see, debug print. We're just going like this. Boop. See, X port default. Oh, you wish I could do semicolon or function. Alright, there's that. Alright. Okay, I gotta burn the birthday board with lots of affection. Exactly. Exactly. That is some of that good vibe energy that we gotta deal with. Oh, I have a headache now. Okay, alright, and then here we're gonna go, debug print is gonna be equal to, import. Actually, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do, import, debug print from, /lib. That's not the right place. No, that's like lib /debug print.mjs. That's not even close. I guess we'll name this DP just to be simple. And then we'll go down here and then we'll say debug print is equal to DP, or we'll just say new DP. Huzzah! Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, so what's going to be a gaming stream? What's going to be the game? The next one I have planned is a game called Deadly Premonition, because that's a series that I have to finish. If not that, then probably a Game Gambit. It's kind of in the air right now. It's kind of a bit of a toss-up. We'll have to see. Okay, so that should be hopefully done. Then we'll go here. We're then going to go on a new thing. We're going to go back. Here we go. And then we're just going to say debug print. Oh, is that the first result? Ah, it is. Okay, well, in that case, we're just going to go... I guess that... Nah, I think config goes one higher. We're just going to say debug print. Print is equal to new DP. Is that a... Martin. Yeah, Mikek Martin. However you say the name. I keep hearing that guy pop up everywhere, and like I don't even know what their face looks like, but I fuck with it. I fuck with their lyrics. Okay, let's try refresh this page and see if it works. Ooh, those are errors. What's new? Cannot actually properly debug that this config is undefined. Well, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do if window.debug equals false return. And then I'm gonna do a quick tab new. I'm gonna go EX. I'm gonna go into here. I'm gonna go BAP. I'm gonna go. Well, maybe instead of Gambit, you can play the final station, but that's all up to you. I saw you have a wish list of the game. Yeah, I wish listed it specifically because of you. The issue is that there's also a lot of games that I have interest in, and the issue is that, like, if I ever force myself to play a game, then I generally have a significantly worse experience. Just because, like, you know, it's like, you know, I want a taco, but I got fucking, you know, roast beef. So it's just like, you know, is it an incredibly bitchy thing to do? Yep. Is it something that I kind of do anyways? You bet. So we're gonna do window.debug is equal to true. There we are. Okay, so we're gonna try that. Does that work out? I see only 4 errors. Load all values. Oh, yay. Clear load value for API key. That's on the 50th. U2 state 35. What's on the 35 line? This was working before. If I go to storage, local storage, that seems to all be going good. Okay. Everything there is fine. Error getting value for key. So you go back to the console. Oh, getting value for key. Unable to load value for that. Okay. What the hell is going on here? VolbeDB thought you're frozen. No! Fucking shit! This is why I built a stream rig. And I'm not using it right now because macOS is very dumb when it comes to display outputs. So, yay. Is it? Oh, it is functioning. Okay, I thought it didn't function for a second. Okay, cool. Okay, so what am I doing right now? So, this is all erroring for some reason, despite it definitely working. I'm gonna do debug p just to try and help. Debug p. Do I have to do it like this? Am I tripping shits? That should not be... That should be highlighting in some way. Then press I had to... Okay, what? What the fuck? Sure, let's go with that. Direct print MJS. What the fuck are you printing? There is literally nothing for you. Okay, sure, let's go with that. Let's go with that. Okay. Unable to get values. Why are you unable to get the values? I literally did nothing with you. You're all erroring on line 35. Or maybe not line 35, but still. No, line 35, please. Just start the bug print. I don't see how this is erroring. Is it because of that? That makes absolutely no sense to me. Okay. Let's just try this then. We're gonna go debug print is, No, that makes no fucking sense. No. We're gonna like that. Why is this erroring now? This makes so little sense. I don't know what the price of the game is right now. Got a while ago reduction at like €3. That is completely fair. That is completely fair, but it's also an absolute pain in the ass. I am what we call the poor. No. Respectfully, that was like sandpaper on my brain. Okay, let's see, carry on. The final stage of your first stream game? Neat. I think mine was... I actually don't know what mine was. I'm sure I could find out, but I'm lazy. I want to deal with this right now. Why is this erroring? Val equals that, yeah. I feel like I've solved this already. I don't recall what the error was. Let key of keys, Val. I'm gonna go key, I'm gonna go Val. And I'm gonna like that. Key, Val, so now the key's been predefined. That's valid. That seems fine. This seems okay. I could have sworn there was like a non-terminated string or something. Okay. Unable to get a load key for that. Import to the 32. Okay. Your last purchase game is Rust. The cancer simulator. 50. Yeah, no shit, the error comes from there. Like, show me the fucking error point. Like, show me the point at what that's causing this. Because you're just saying 35. So, here, you know what? We're just going to do binary chop. Fuck it. We're going to like this. We're going to comment out this half. We're going to see that. We're going to refresh this. We're going to load BAP. Alright, so it's not the later half. So that means it's one of these three things right here that's erroring. Validate with the local storage dot get item. The value of that is that. We have a very important question after the stream. Can you check your Steam inventory? Because a while back, Russ gave me a free skid, and maybe you also got some skids you might not need. I probably have, but you see, the issue is that I'm an absolute fucking dragon hoarder, so I ain't giving that shit away. Ha ha ha. I pad my inventory. Okay, so why is this erroring is the issue. So I guess just try cross these out line one by one and then see if which one's causing the error. Okay. Yeah, well, you never play the game, though. I stand by what I said. I mean, many people buy condoms who don't need them. Like it is just one of those things where it doesn't matter if I don't play the game. I am going to sit on my dragon's horde, and I'm going to just do that. Local storage get item. It has to be something that I'm freaking tripping up right now. Get item. Local storage get item. And maybe white or green out skins. Those are important for snow and grasslands. Again, I'm not fucking giving them away. So good fucking luck trying to get them from me. You will not. Even more reasons to collect them. Exactly. Because who knows? I might get into Rust. And if I ever do, then hey, there we go. You took your shot, lol. That you did. What? Is it something stupid where it's like I gotta just enforce this as a string? Is that what's happening? Oh yeah, Cody. Because I guess you haven't been around in chat too much. Is how you enjoy the mindless coding stream? You enjoy watching me struggle with BS? Is this entertaining? Is this cathartic? Oh, what the actual fuck? Because this is definitely existing. Like, this definitely exists. Okay. YouTube-config- whatever. Yeah, that makes complete sense. So then why the hell are you tripping? You love coding streams, makes me realize mine is so bad. Exactly. It's not about how good or bad you are. It's about how fucking stupid you are to keep persisting. Let's see. Local storage dot get item. We're gonna do a YouTube dash config dash channel ID, I guess. Yep, that works. Okay. So if we go like that, I want to go like this. I'm just gonna randomly go blip. So we're gonna do that. Then instead of channel ID, we're gonna go plus, and then we're gonna enforce this as a string, and then we're gonna do key. Oh, I remember what this was. It was keys and an I, because it's not accessing it via a number. It's accessing it via a fucking name. So then doing that, it's the abstraction with it fucking sucks. Yeah, no, boomer loops are cooler, okay? Listen, if you don't like boomer loops, you're just fucking cringe. Let I is equal to 0, while I is less than keys dot length. Bus plus I, there we are. Then we're gonna go here, keys I. I think I did that wrong, but whatever. And all that I'm actually gonna do now quickly is I'm gonna go, key. Where the fuck did I go? Oh, I went to a new tab. Oops. Where the fuck am I? Let I equals 0, well, I is, less than, key. Was that in the wrong spot? Okay, here we are. Cool. Awesome. You fixed Tibia, working on it. I have to deal with BS. Somehow this went way further back than I recall it going, which is weird. So that's something I get to fix. Key is equal to keys of index I. Now I can get rid of this. Okay, all that seems to be good. Send it, refresh it, load. You're still erroring, so why are you erroring? So I've redefined the key. Val is going to be equal to this, plus string key. What if I just change this back to, like, this? Key is the index of that. It is still specifically that line that's erroring is the question. No, it's not that line anymore. Okay. Is it something to do with this? Boop. Load inputs. Nope, still erroring. Okay, so it's none of those. Is it just like the... What? That's an array, so it should just be an array index. Volb, remember to check your Steam afterward and DM me. I promise you I will not. That is my fucking promise, Artene. Let's see. So where the fuck are we going? Where are we going with all this? We got the key. I don't, like, I want this to be a more precise error. I don't see where the specific error is happening, which is the issue. It's just saying line 36, which is this. Getting value for key. It's like, okay, but, like, how is that fucking erroring? Is it because frickin' the debug print here is doing something? Did I import the file wrong? Is it just not accepting it in the way that I want it to? Like, what the hell is happening? Key, yeah, it's basically stimming at this point. I don't know why the actual hell this is locking. Not $ key or whatever, I think. No, that's for PHP. That's a different thing. Okay, it's saying line 36, so what if we just clear line 36? Boop. Load 47. Okay, so it was that line. So why the fuck is that erroring? What is wrong in here? That's for default function. That's just print. Oh, I'm done. No, you're fine. You didn't know that I'm using JavaScript instead of PHP. So, hey, you didn't know, so you're all gooch. Yeah, no, like I'm never posed a dumb question. This is, yeah. I wasn't near my phone to answer the last question. Like I just want to know if you got it because of a Greed Dragon. I am, I am promising you I will not check it. That's what's gonna happen. That's where I'm at. Message style value, message style value, message style value. So why is this erroring? I don't see any errors, bruh. Yeah. Okay, so cannot able to load value for page count. I mean, page count is fine. I don't care about page count or next page token. That's completely fine. So what if we try and monitor once? Debug.print is not a function. That's fine. Where is... That's a monitor messages. Okay. So then all we need to do is just say, hey, in here, debug print is equal to new DP. That is definitely defined. 423. Where the hell is that? Debug print async? No, what? The 2017 music low-key / real. I kind of agree, but this is also like not my music choice of preference, so it's like I'm just sitting here kind of like anyways, that's beside the point. So oh wait, let me just double check this. Let's see, export function to use in other scripts. Script Patissa. Tony with the scream. Exactly. Export function. Yeah, that makes sense. That just makes... That's what I'm doing. Function log message log. That's exactly what I'm doing right here. Just slightly more complex. Okay. For default function. That. Wait, what's this? Import function JavaScript. Import module. Import that with let's see, export function this, then result that, import that as that. What's your music preferences? $10 mommy SSMR? No, not even close. If you want to know my music preference, what generally is a consistent fuck for me, a consistent LFG, is actually here. You know what? I'm actually working on something which is, I think, a good sampler. So let me just very quickly just hide the screen cap because I don't know what will appear. I don't know if it's private or whatever. Hey, it appeared on my other monitor. So guess what? Guess what's coming back? The screen share is coming back. Let's go, baby. Anyway, so I go here, I then go to... we go to here, we go to projects, we go to this thing. Actually, here, you know, I can just show you the Ableton file. That's so much cooler, because then I don't have to show you guys freaking random BS. So here, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Well, baby, we're going to do a face reveal. Already done it. It's already happened. It's come and gone. You've missed it. Wait, really? Yeah. I'm not even joking. I've done it. It's just boring. It's less fun. Anyways, here's something I have been chipping away on, and this is very close to my music taste. Yeah, I think that sort of stuff. Or if you want something else, I also really enjoy Bauf, which is something I've done. Let's see. As the kids say, this shit fucks. That's the hope. So it's that time of the month. Sure, let's go. Oh, call you a nerd. Thanks. Fuck you too. Also, hey, how's it going? If y'all want to see another one that I've been fucking around with for 20 seconds while I try and return my mental stability, is let me find the thingamajigum, as I believe it is technically called. It, for some reason, doesn't let me search very efficiently, so let me try changing the sorting method. I know what it is called, I just don't know where the fuck it is called. And for some reason, search is also awesome, so it's like, hey, nothing like searching for needle in a haystack type thing. Okay, I was like way after that. Sorry, I'm trying to find this. There it is. Found it. Hold on. I found music. This is another one I've been fucking with pretty heavily, which is something I've been working on. So, self-fellatio achieved. I don't want to do the whole thing because I'm working on a thing for this, but I think it's about here. So this is like a remix, but I still think it hits pretty hard. Bow 5 slaps. I'm glad you think so. It's almost like I try not to make music that's dog shit. Oh shit, I need to fix the screen share. Quick. Here, let's get this going. Oh, and I just realized I actually need to restart it anyways because it is being warped right now, which it shouldn't be. So this is another remix I've been working on. It is Mustards, if you know the Mustard. Mustard and somebody else's thing. Let's see. Self-fellatio achieved. That's a new one. Surprise! And then there's a second drop over here. I can't spoil everything. Yeah, so there's another one that I got cooking. Oh, actually I have one more cooking that I can share as a teaser. So this one's technically done. I just need to basically drag my ass off of my seed and fucking publish it. But there's also this song as well right here as another doober. When are you gonna bring it back? Bring what back? Tib Alive? Not yet. When the toaster when it kept having a cold start. I don't know what you're talking about. Tib, the intention does have Tib done by the stream. Anyways, here's another thing that I'm literally just sitting on. It's done. It has like the animated video for it done, thanks to Harry. And I'm just sitting here just doing jack shit because I hate myself or something. Which is this one right here. Like, that's literally just completely done. I just need to finish it. Not finish it, but, like, I just need to, like, I basically need to just add a thank you for the channel members in the video, re-render it, and then it's done. It's done. It's just done. I guess I'll share this one, too, since I'm sharing, some projects that I'm just sitting on, which are effectively done, but I just haven't published yet, as I also have this one right now, which is another remix that I'm just sitting on with my thumb up my ass because that's cool. Is this one right here. We're gonna turn off the warp on it. Turn off the warp. There we go. So this one right here. And I don't remember if I did something fancy with the second drop. What was that? What specifically? Anyways, I'll leave you with those teasers. This one though that I'm tripping on right now, I definitely fuck with this one heavy. Yeah, that one fucks. I don't know. I make various musics. I still don't know what you're talking about, Tony, when you asked what was that. And then what from there? By the way, my explanation about the cold stars above. When you added the toaster, remember when I used to spam one letter at a time? It sounded like this. It sounded like it was having a cool start. Oh, yes. I am attempting to, I'm attempting to fix that, right? Complete side question. What do you think of Siege right now? I think it's in a fine place. Not great, not terrible. I think, like, the balance right now is the best it's been in a long time. I think the cheaters are stable enough that it's in, like, a good spot, right? The two things I really think Siege needs right now is I think it needs a beginner playlist where you only have, like, 5 maps, right? And, like, anybody can play this, right? But it's just basically, like, the ultra high tiered favorite maps, right? And it's literally just 5 of them, right? Like, it's something like, it's like, Oregon... like these should be ranked maps, to be very clear, right? But it should be like Oregon, Clubhouse, and then like 2 or 3 other maps, right? And it's just those for beginner players right now, because Oregon, Clubhouse, Chalet, etc. Yeah, exactly that. Because the issue is that I have 2 people right now that I've been playing Siege with, like myself, who are new players, right? One of them knows the game. Well, not new players, but like one of them knows the game relatively well, but they don't really know many like strategies or anything yet. And then the other person is completely new, right? And trying to teach them Siege has been a pain in the ass because even on Unranked, which has a reduced map pool, there's still so many maps for them to learn right now, so trying to onboard them has just been a pain in the ass, right? And, like, they're not an incompetent player. Neither of them are. It's just, like, holy shit, there's just so much overhead that they need to learn, right? Especially with all the operators. I make all my own VTubers, Artene. I make them all myself. I'm pretty self-efficient for the most part. But anyways, yeah, so that's one thing I think Siege really needs. We're running that 1v1 back. I haven't played since then. I mean, sure, if you wanna, I'm down. Brandon, bro, when you gonna invite me to play Siege with you, huh? I'm pretty sure I have. And then I'm pretty sure even one of the people I played Siege ranked with said, "Oh, dude, you could totally join us with ranked if you want," and you just didn't respond. You were just like, "Nah, I'm good, actually." And it's just like, okay, sure. If you want to play Siege, I'm super fucking down to play Siege. That was like forever ago. I mean, hey, you said that and then you didn't update us on your opinion. So I was like, okay, I guess I'll let you rot. When you eventually play Final Station, you should make yourself wear a trade driver's uniform to low-key matchup. Maybe. It depends. Okay, yeah, I should probably turn on the music again and then go from there, because I'm still trying to figure this thing. That's not the audio output. Thank you. There. Beautiful. I'm gonna turn this music down a little bit because I need to like I'm kind of molding a little bit. Okay, so what's my issue right now? This dot that is not a function. This dot debug print. Do I instead just have to go like say 1 second, like is it just something like I have to, instead of like export default, I just do I just have to do like that, and then over here I then do import let's see, I'm just going like this, debug print from that, and then same thing here, import debug print from that. Also, yeah, like low-key low-key Joey, I would be like down to play Siege tonight if you wanted to in like an hour. Being for real 100 no cap. Up to you though. Error debug P is not fine. Okay, debug print is equal to a new debug print. No, it's not a class, so that doesn't make sense. So I should just be debug print is equal to. Okay, let's just go this dot debug. Alright, let's try this. So we're gonna go QD, I guess. So we go / this dot debug Print, enter, and delete word, delete word. And I guess just end it at D. Hey, let's do 30 at D. Oh, it's no more than 30. Okay, let's see. Let's do 10 at D. Neat. Cool, no more. And then we got 10 more here, so I'm gonna do at, sorry, no, we're gonna do 10 at D. There we are, send it. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Oh, wonderful. I miss you, Tibby, we all do. You're kind of down, actually. I might be terrible because I'm tired and rusty, lol. That is completely fine. I've like hardcore switched my mentality when it comes to Siege, so now my mentality is I'm trying to do the funniest things possible. And if it happens to go funny, then I'm down with the funny. So you will notice me doing a lot of dumb things. Also, guys, on my PC part list for your opinion before I forget. I got Class Mobile Try. Good night. Have a good night, Cody. Wish you well. Thanks for swinging by. I hope you have fun. And yeah, catch you soon. Hopefully, future, maybe, possibly. Yeah. Okay. We've stabilized the Tib. We have movement. Okay. We finally made it past the block. Holy fucking shit. Volb, did you play a Slime Rancher? I saw you on the game when I bought it. I've played a chunk of it, but I haven't beat it. I made it, I think, because I watched Jacksepticeye play it ages ago, and based off of what I remember, I think I made it 2/3 of the way through the game, maybe 1/3 or half, somewhere between like 1/3 and 2/3, right? And I'll probably return, I'll probably return to it on Steam again, or not Steam, Stream. Because I think it is a fun game. I just need to know what the fuck's going on. So we'll see. Let's see. I'm just waiting for Steam to launch right now because I want to see Peam Rancher. Because the Frankenstein is alive, or sorry, the Frankenstein is alive. But what is? Oh, because you're talking about Tib. I was so confused for a second. What new things are on sale? Amplitude. I've never heard of Amplitude, nor have I seen any of those characters. Out of my bubble. Anyways, let's see. So, Slime Rancher. I just want to see the last time I played it. 2021. So, it's been a minute. But that's a neato. Slime Rancher is pretty neat. Gameplay pattern is pretty repetitive, especially around when you beat it. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of one reason why I haven't been too eager to beat it, because you can see I've made it through almost half of the achievements, and it's just been like, ooh. like I don't hate the game, right? It's just, oh, I just realized the stream froze. While you're here, check your inventory. Nope, I promised I wouldn't, so I won't. Until it is the next day, I will not be checking it, because I promised that I wouldn't. Because that's the individual that I am. You want to see if I got any skins? Okay, here, you know what? I'll dap you up. So, if we go to, CSGO, and then we go to my, where's my other thing? If we go to my, inventory right here, and then we sort by CS2, you'll actually see here that I have a pretty sick Cerberus skin. For the CZ, wherever the frick it is. I don't know where the hell it is, actually. There it is. Look at that. I got the Galil Cerberus skin, and it's pretty damn neat. Oh, you're playing that game now? CS? No, I'm not playing CS anymore. You see, Joey, you know, like the CS skin thing that happened? Yeah, I basically did that in hard bail. Well, I want to see on Rest, big man. Well, guess what? I promised that I wouldn't, so I won't. This is my rebellious phase. So yeah, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna go over to Steam, and then we're gonna right-click quit. Bye-bye, Steam. This is what we call being a little shit. Bro, like you're right here, right now. Exactly. You don't know the type of person I am. Rush would be fun if it didn't take forever to load into. Yeah, I mean, I have many other issues with the Rush. I just never got into it. That's the simplest way to put it. Okay, let us now actually get on to the processing the messages, because there's two things I need to do first. My fucking stream froze again. Anyways, so there's two things I need to do first. The first thing I need to do is, whoopsies, I didn't want to do that. I want to do this. There we go. So yeah, so there's two things I need to do. The first thing I need to do is I need to make it so that I have like a users table, and the users table will be like smashed together. And it'll basically be like, okay, so like if you send a message, you get like channel points added to your thing directly, right? I mean, you need a decent PC, which I do want to upgrade in the future. I mean, Joey has a decent PC. Like, it's not exactly amazing, but it's close. Tibby is close. We've passed the blocker. There's just a bit more that we need to do. So we're gonna go to loop, because I named my functions awesomely. Alright, so once we're here, what we need to do is you need to go down to here. And then when you, Vol, what do you think of your Dark Souls 3 character? I don't see your Dark Souls 3 character, so I don't know. And it's from playing Rust copy on Roblox. I already have Rust PTSD. Yeah, listen, I'm still proud to have never used Roblox for more than an hour. That is something I'm actively proud of. The one I sent you, oh, yes. You mean the one that looks like fucking Sid? The one that looks like fucking Ice Age ass motherfucker? Oh my god. That wonderful, beautiful thing. They're absolutely magnificent, worry thee not. Okay, so let's see, so we're doing message queue. Okay, so hang on. So we got this. Okay, so we got the... Oh, you're not adding anything to the process key yet. Or the unprocessed queue, so that's a rip. It's this song! It's the one that, like, leads into, like, you know, like, the worst people you've ever seen doing a frag montage. Let's see, message length, no. Let's equals that, best for processing. Process queue, done, process queue. Okay, yeah, so here's this one. I'm gonna do a debug, print, let's see, unprocessed, message, queue is now, whoopsies, let's do that, we're gonna go like that, we're gonna then do, this dot config dot, config, we're doing a hashtag unprocessed, message, queue, no, it's underscores, fuck, unprocessed underscore, message underscore, queue. Is it not that? Is it just unprocessed message queue or something? Unprocessed underscore message underscore queue is what it should be. Hold on 1 second. Unprocessed, underscore message underscore queue. Only one. Okay. Is it just like unprocessed queue? Unprocessed underscore queue. Unprocessed queue. Okay, this is unprocessed queue. Okay, got it. So where was it? Unprocessed. It was like right here, right? Unprocessed message queue. Yes, we're just changing this to unprocessed underscore queue. There we are. Let's see. It's beautiful. Yeah, exactly. So somebody want to wake me up, they just gotta play the rocket sound. Beautiful. You've unfortunately played Roblox for a long time, and there's games that are way too high quality for the platform. Exactly. And yeah, I don't know. It's one of those things where it's like, how do I put it? No, actually, no, I know exactly how to put it. 1 second. Here we are. Let's do this. The beautiful way to put it is, if you want to know my opinions on Roblox, is peak devs Roblox. Wow, I like how it's a Duxerto fucking screenshot or whatever. Yeah, here we are. To be honest, I'd rather you pirate our game than play this microtransaction at Roblox slop off. Yeah, this is how I generally feel about Roblox. that is like my moral standard on it, basically. run for a classic run. Is that like a Roblox game? I have no idea. I have no fucking idea. Joey, I saw you DM me on Discord, so I thought I'd take a peek. That is a very apt way to put it. That is fucking... That is fucking perfect, actually. Oh my god. Like, you actually just got it. Like, holy shit. Anyways, let's see. This dot... Alright, we're gonna do... We're gonna go... Okay, there we are. And at the end of this, I'm thinking what I'm gonna do now is at the end of this, I'm just gonna go like this. Then we're gonna go bap. Like that. And then, let's see, then we're gonna go here, and then inside here. Then we're gonna do a debug print. And then we're gonna say, hey, message queue, YouTube message v1. Sorry, what message queue? Person ID, YouTube message process queue. Yeah. Okay. Nothing past here should work, is my thing. I just want to see that this is working first. Actually, no, I'll just keep sending it, I guess. Okay, after that, what I'm gonna then do is, so we're then taking the unprocessed queue. Process YouTube v1 message, yeah, that's not a process queue index. Yeah, that makes sense. Add the patient score, sorry, add parent and give the score to parent user. I don't know what the fuck that means. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Let's see, score, message, and, add to user, total score. So I'll just do something like, I'm just gonna do this, actually. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do message is equal to, this dot, unprocessed underscore queue of the index I. Then I'm just gonna go down to here. We're gonna go just whatever's in here. We're gonna do message. There we are. Let's see. In the future, after I start playing Rust for real, when I see a helicopter, I go like those words. Yes. By the way, stream is frozen. Oh, wonderful. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Absolutely giddy. Absolutely gaudy. Also, Joey, if you're still hanging around, you want me to set a timer for like 11 o'clock and we can play Siege then? Does that sound good to you? Also, leaving by. Have fun one. Catch you later. Have a good one. Let's see. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go say. Message dot. I don't really care. Well, do you want to try tonight or nah? Because that's the main question that I'm debating. So hey, there we go. There is your debate. There is your options. There is your questions. Alright, well, I think I also got a dip. Have fun, sure. Okay. Set a timer for 11 p.m.
50 minutes and 29 seconds, starting now.
There you are. It has been locked in time, so I have 50 minutes to get Tib working. Or good luck with the code. Thank you, Artini. I hope you have a good luck with whatever you got going on. So if I just double check, so if we go to unprocessed queue, unprocessed queue, wasn't there a message template here? Message template, unprocessed message template, yeah. So they have failed processing it, that's fine. Which actually does lead me to another thing, which is going to be, I'll just do underscore v1, because I know that was a thing. Yeah, there we are. So I'm going to try this. We're going to go try, like this, and then we're going to go like that. Then we're going to go, whoopsies, whoopsies. There we are. Then we're going to go catch. We're going to go catch. We're going to catch the error. We're going to catch the error. If the error is a thing, then I'm just going to say, actually, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do message. We're gonna do if this dot unprocessed underscore message unprocessed q. Need to add the hashtag to that of the I. Dot failed processing at is not equal to undefined. Then we're just gonna say, hey, continue. Else will be continue and then do all this crap. Let's see. If message has error, skip because it needs to be tested. Alright, there's that. Does Bubs not play shooters? Still not play shooters? As far as I'm aware, yes. So that's fun. So that's absolutely thrilling. So, I don't know. It's fun and dandy and whatever, but I have a few other people that I can probably drag in if you want. We can lower the elo a bit. There you are. Oh, awesome. That filthy Civ 6 player. They've actually apparently tried Civ 7 as well, apparently. I think it was Civ 7. It's either... Yeah, because I think 6 was fine, but Civ 7, apparently they've tried Civ 7, and, like, it's apparently astonishing how bad that version is. So I guess take that as you will. I have no idea how to. So, the wonderfulness. Okay, so we got that. We gotta wait this message. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, because why not? Let's make you, like, over here-ish. There we are. There, beautiful. Okay, so now that I got this, what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna do catch error. Catch error. I'm just gonna do a debug print. Print. Let's see. We're gonna do error dot trace. This is gonna be the value of nothing, followed by the type of error. Yep, good enough for me. Yep, good enough for me. There we are. Okay. So now this should properly fix the queue thing being sorted. And then now I just need to add the thing as well. So now I just need to do, actually, I'll do unprocessed message like this. I'll do, we're gonna do let unprocessed, underscore message. I'm actually do, u underscore msg, as well as, then, processed underscore message. So those should both work. So we're gonna delete that. We're gonna go u underscore msg. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna break this onto a new line, and then we're gonna go p underscore msg. Msg is gonna be equal to this wonderful thing. There we are. So that'll hopefully make things more clear. Then we're gonna do p underscore msg. Does the process message on line 493? So if we just look for a template, does this have a score? Okay, it does have a score. Okay, got it. So we should just be able to access on 493 the p message underscore score. So p underscore message dot score. So then we gotta do do I have a users? Oh, I do have a users thing followed by a users template. So yeah, okay, so we're gonna do this. I'm just dragging this down here as an example. We're just gonna move that over like 5. Perfect. Well, what do you think about the Thorn buffs? I think they're actually pretty sick, because the issue is that Thorn was already kind of a useless operator, like before the buff, right? Like, she was strong in very niche circumstances, right? But she was way too niche to be consistently useful, in my opinion, right? the new Thorn is like a lot better because it's kind of like Capcan, right? Where you either stack them all and do a lot of damage, or you like place one and then, you know, have a little bit more freedom, right? The only difference is, which I still think is good, is that where Capcan I find can consistently get 2 kills, you know, like 3 traps on one door, you know, 2 traps on another door, right? That's generally enough to get a kill, right? Whereas Thorn, she's kind of an all-in or chip damage type operator now, which I think does a lot better. Because in my opinion, Thorn is a perfect middle ground between Ela and Capcan, right? Like, because she has like the options of being able to set traps, but she also has the ability to, you know, be more like clever, I suppose, like when you're like placing your stuff, and more aggressive, like how Ela can like throw her mines like basically concussions, right? So like overall, I think the Thorn buffs are actually really, really good for Thorn and the gameplay of her. The only issues that I see right now, Siege is kind of stepping on a lot of toes right now. Like Thorn and Capcan have become very similar, and they've done that with a few other operators. So I'm kind of just concerned how the diversity of Siege is going to go long term, but we'll have to see, I guess. I found before the buffs were only choosable played Thorn, or like the nastiest player you've seen. Yeah, that's pretty much how it goes. It's kind of a similar thing with like a zombie, where like you either have the most brain dead people playing a zombie who think that they're the absolute shit, and then of course they're like the first to call you like slurs in chat or whatever, or inversely you have like somebody who is, why is my stream freezing so much? Anyways, or inversely you have like somebody who no mics but will just carry your team with like a 13 in like fucking Emerald. I don't know what it is. A 13 kill streak in Emerald, yeah. Let's see. So let's see. Message score. Let's see. Message score. So then we're gonna go here. We're gonna say. We're gonna go. I'm just trying to think of how I want to do this. We're gonna do a for loop. For let I is equal to 0, while I is, no, I need to make this a j. Oopsies. J. J. People think the next op that like comes out is gonna be Phobos. What do you mean by that? Because I'm not following. Because I might be incredibly stupid. I'm probably incredibly stupid. Is going to be Phobos? I don't know what you mean by is going to be Phobos. I don't understand that. Probably because I'm stupid and dumb and extra stupid and extra dumb and a little bit of extra stupid. This dot hashtag users dot length, and then I want to do ++ j per loop. And then what I want to do very quickly is, so this is the thing. I want to go like this. Oopsies. Boop. X. There we are. Phobos is like Deimos' partner in the lore. Oh, yes. I mean, that's possible. I'll be real. I think Siege has done the hardest fucking fumble possible when it comes to lore. Actually, real quick side thing. What is it with like every major multiplayer game not having good lore? Like, Apex has dog shit lore, Overwatch kind of has dog shit lore, like, fucking Siege has dog shit lore. Like, there's not a multiplayer game where, like, I look at them like, yeah, that has good lore. The only one that I can think of that has that is, like, TF2. Like, TF2 is the only one where it's like, yeah, this lore is adequate. Every other game, it's like, what the actual fuck is this? It feels like you threw up on a page and called it fucking your thesis. Yeah, no. I don't know. Call me fucking salty. Because I am. Here, let me actually at one of the random people who I want to try dragging to Siege real quickly. Wanna join for Siege in 40 min, ? Nope. Same League of Legends, yeah, kind of. Apparently Valorant's lore is, like, decent. See, I've tried to pay attention to it because I'm a person who enjoys lore. I think it's, like, slightly better, but not by much. Like it's still not a TF2, right? And that's my thing. Like the only thing that keeps TF2 alive... Whoops. The only thing to me that keeps TF2 alive is like the lore, right? And like I don't know why every other game has no fucking idea how to do like lore. It's just crazy. So we're gonna go let user alert. Let user, and then we're just gonna say very quickly here. We're just gonna say, hey, user dot user is equal to this dot users of I. Okay, there we are. League actually has some good lore for the most part. Just a shame that it's League of Legends. Yeah. See, okay, so like my issue with League, to complain about this, and this is one reason why I've never been able to get into League, like especially the lore, is that League just feels like such an ever-loving clusterfuck of things happening, right? Like it, like as somebody who's just dipping their toe into it, it literally just feels like the random bullshit Go meme, right? Where like there's no real cohesion, anything. And it's just, to me, feels just like shit's just fucking everywhere, right? And, like, I could be very wrong about that. And if I am wrong about that, then, you know, my bad, my bad. But, like, it doesn't feel like it has cohesion. And that's what bothers me. Okay, anyway, so we got this, that, users. Let's see, if user... what am I thinking of? User dot, sorry, and I gotta do a fucking 4 square root 4. Let k is equal to 0. Well, k is less than this, or sorry, then, users dot, channels. Well, users dot channels, and I want to do, plus k, just as an iteration, whatever the hell. So now that we're in the iteration cycle, we're just gonna say, if, whoopsies, I meant to do k is less than users, that's an L, literally. Let's see, so then we're gonna do if, yeah, oh, by the way, you got a friend overseas, hell yeah. Hell yeah. So we might have a 4-stack then. If we have a 4-stack, that's going to be insane. If we have a 4-stack for, like, casual semi-low elo siege, we're just going to fucking steamroll. So that's fucking beautiful. Let's see. So anyway, so, if, let's see, user, K, I just realized an error there, because that needs to be a J. If users K, dot ID, because that makes sense to me. Dot ID is then going to be equal to process underscore message. I forget the template for the process message. So what line am I on? Like 500? Yeah, 500 basically. So we're just going to template. Gotta go back to the start. Unprocessed man template, commands, message template, stooch. There we are, yank it. We're back to line 500. Doop. And then we're just gonna go here as well. Whoopsies, here as well. It's the other fucking shitpost song. Oh my god, I'm about to fucking explodiate. Oh my god, it's this song, guys. It's the fucking next. There. This is not that one. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna say, okay, so we're gonna say if is equal to process message dot author ID. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say user. No, we're gonna do this dot users of j dot points plus equals p underscore message dot score, and then we're gonna do number. That might error, but yeah, break. And then else will be, so this after it's iterated through all the channels. I should probably convert this into a tree. Let's see, convert to a sorta inverted, to a tree struct for speed. And after I do that, then what I also want to do is I then also want to, oh, by the way, oh, never heard that one already. Hello, Mr. Pupperman. What are you doing, huh? What you doing? You wanna go for a pee? What you doing, huh? What you doing with this badunk?
What you doing with this dog? Full suspension. Look at this dog. Look at this dog. It's full suspension. Look at this. Big booty energy. What's going on with you? Huh? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? You wanna go for a pee? You wanna get some water? What do you want? What do you need? What do you need? What do you want? What do you yearn for, dog? What's happening? Go get your water. Go get it. Don't be a weirdo.
Dog's just staring at me like, can I get the water? Is that something I can get? Can I do it? It's like, yeah, dude, you have like a little tiny plastic dish, which like I let you eat out of earlier because it had like a bunch of sauce left in it. You're fine. Let's see. So we're gonna break. I'm gonna make this a function. I'm gonna do a find user and add score. So I'm going to channel ID score. Boop. Going like this. Boop. Indent all this. Because then if I do this, then I can just do a return here. Return. Let's see, and I'm gonna just say if I managed to reach here, then the user wasn't found. So then, users. So I'm gonna do this dot hashtag users. So I just gotta drag the users template back down, I guess. So we're doing a. Oop. Okay, there's this. I'm just gonna go frickin' hee hee hoo hoo ha ha. Wonderful. Now I can kind of see them both at the same time. So now that we're here, we got the users. If users equals that, okay, yeah. So we don't have that. Users plus equals this object, which is gonna be a new user. This user is going to be I guess I might as well just copy all of this. Yoinked. Paste it. Then we'll go, I guess, like 6 indentation levels. Hell yeah. Whoops, come on, let's fix that. There we are. Boop, 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 boop. My template version 1. Author name is going to be p_message dot display name, I believe it was. This is the display name, right? Because we've got the user template now, so we don't even need this. Wait, user template? What? What? Oh, one second. I copied the wrong thing. Oopsies. Let's go like this. Boop. Then we're going like this. Boop. Alright, let's see. So we're going to do, can I like scoot you up just a touch? There we are. Beautiful. So now we're just going to go like this. We're just going to go points is going to be equal to p_message dot score. First scene, we'll do date dot now. Channel bands none, TDS bands none, UUID. Let's see, JavaScript, generate UUID. Let's see. Crypto.random UUID. Is it literally just crypto.random UUID? Neat. Crypto.random UUID. Boop. It does work like that. Okay, cool. UUID equals that. Channels is going to be equal to... Do I have a channels template? So we're on line 530. Okay, so we're just going to do a template again. Template. Plate. Template channel, commands, messages, clip. Nope, okay, so we're doing back to 530. Doop. So to say channels is equal to p_message dot channel ID, I'm pretty sure is what it was. Author ID. channel ID, author ID, I guess works. Author id. Author name is going to be p underscore message dot dis. Author name. The author name. There we are. Alright, awesome. So now that this is functioning, or no, it's not functioning, but should exist. Function, we're going to do this. And we're going to go here, and then we're just going to say, find user and add score. Boop. So we're doing p underscore message dot. I'm just trying to think. P message dot. Channel ID. Yeah, that makes sense to me. And then score will be p underscore message dot score. You know, I'm just not even gonna add these. I'm not even gonna add these because I didn't even use them. This dot hashtag users channel whatever. Yep. Then we get rid of that. Let's see. Then up here, we're just gonna go debug print. Let's see. Found user with matching ID. Adding score to user total. Awesome. Let's see how this goes, shall we? Doot load. No, that definitely is a thing. Oh wait, reference undeclared private field and method in Q 482. 42 is right here. Okay, this dot, and I should do hashtag, or whatever the frick, hashtag unprocessed underscore Q. Oh, because I had two E's there. Whoopsies, dyslexia moment. Ha ha ha. Load. I only noticed because the thing wasn't selecting all of it. First message queue is that. Okay. That is not what we'll be having. Hold on. Where's the unprocessed message queue? I just show the message queue, users, unprocessed message queue. Oh, did I not add it to the message queue yet? Process message queue. Oh, I see. This dot hashtag unprocessed underscore queue dot push is then going to be a message here, I think. Let's try that. Load. Start. Length of 0. Pain. Oh, it shows the screen cap froze again. Hell yeah. I could have sworn it was push. JavaScript add value to array. It's just push, right? Yeah, it is just push. Yeah, that works. Okay. Oh, so we got processed message. Hold on. What? Oh, I see, because I'm doing that thing. I see. Wait, error pass here, messages is null at some point, message. Yes, we're doing that. Do I have the same issue with this one here? Doing something... Oh, that's supposed to add it to the queue as well. We're gonna ignore that. Okay, so what am I missing? Do print, focus layout. Okay, let's just walk through the loop, I guess. So we're gonna do the loop. Alright, so we're gonna get the messages. Once we got the messages, like basically when we have the message, we're then gonna just basically iterate over all the messages. We're gonna say, hey, the message is equal to this one at this point. Message for processing is gonna be that one. So I just have message, which is kind of weird. Do I have just like a message one? Oh, debug print message. Okay, so just printing that. It's not running through this. I think that here should work. It should work though. Okay. Because then you now, so we're on 480. Yeah, so back to 480. Okay, so now we're here. We just want to go like that. Oh, actually, it's by the namesake, because it should do that, actually. So we're going to do that. And we're going to do this dot hashtag unprocessed underscore q is dot push processed message. There we go. Because then I don't have to deal with that now. And then we're going to go back to 480. So after it's done that, we should see the process message thing. Process message queue is now. Process message. I don't care about process message queue, just process messaged. We should probably just change this as a blocking function, because, yeah. Doots. That'll just make my life easier. I'm going to go back to 480. Alright, let's just try this. We're going to refresh you, load, send. Unprocessed queue is now that BS. So what's going on with the process queue? This dot unprocessed queue is going to be... I'm just gonna add right here. We're gonna do a debug print. Let's see. Starting to process unprocessed underscore q. Let's try that real quickly. We're gonna load, send it. Oh yeah, so they are doing that. Send to unprocessed process queue. This dot hashtag unprocessed underscore q. We'll do that because I feel like that makes more sense. It's doing basically the same thing, so that's just weird. So it's taking a raw message and it's doing all this crap to it, which makes sense. Let's see. I'm just gonna go here, I guess, and we'll go like this. Debug print. Whoopsies. Let's see. We're doing. Adding a message to unprocessed underscore q. And then the thing is going to be the processed message. There we are. Send it. Load it. Send it. Huh, so this function isn't called at all, or it isn't running at all, which is weird. Because I should see adding messages to unmessage queue, whatever the hell. Is there an early return here that I'm missing? Oh, you know, it might be one of these things that's kind of erroring. Because this thing should never, ever freaking error. Oh, is it an issue with the loop? I think we're on 480. Let's see. Debug. Print. Let's see. About to process. Messages from fetch response. Process YouTube messages from fetch response. Let's see. There's that. And we'll go here, I guess. Then we'll just go messages. Cool. That should work out. Boink. Load. Send it. Oh, so that does work. Oh, because it needs to be messages.items.length. Items.length. You frickin' numbskull. Can access property snippet. Raw messages undefined. So that's on 544. Oh, so it's made it significantly deeper now. Holy shit. Oh, no, that's just where the error is. That happened on 480. But that's still further. So we're here. So it's within here. There is can access property snippet. Okay, let's go back to here then. Because clearly this assumption was wrong. This one needs to be commented out again. Cool. Alright, let's try this. Load, send, invalid single message raw provided on skipping. Oh, there has to be something wrong here then. Oh, that is completely undefined. Or raw, whatever. And then return. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Let's go back to 480. I'm just going to say, if, message equals undefined. Then we're just gonna skip it. So we'll say continue. Console. Not console. We're gonna do a debug print. Let's see. Message. Message after attempting to add to unprocessed underscore q is undefined. Skipping add. Like that. Okay, and then we go back to here. So the message, if I am correct, is going to be... So we're at the message level, so we're here. So let's just say we're on item 0, right? So we're 0, then into snippet, then yeah, okay. So, am I passing the value right is the question, because that's what seems to be the flag for me. Oh, my stream froze again. Yay! That's so cool. I love it. It's neat. It's awesome. It's sexy. Yeah. Okay, carrying on. Okay, so... Now that we go to like this, so we're grabbing the messages at the index, which makes sense. Let's see. So I'm just gonna add, I guess, a debug print here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Debug print. Oh my gosh, the capitalization issues. Print. Then what we'll do here is we're just gonna say attempting to add message to unprocessed underscore q. I'm gonna go here, raw message, like that, and then we're gonna reload this, load, send it. What's the data that's happening? Okay, that's fine, don't care. So now we're doing this, message for processing undefined. Okay, how the fuck are you undefined? 480. Message for processing undefined. So is just messages undefined? Messages received got whatever the frick it is. Got that. So that does exist. Does it have to be like messages is equal to messages.json? Messages is equal to messages.json. Is it something dumb like that? Messages.json is not a function. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Because that makes sense to me. Okay, so then what happens if I just go like this then? And I just go like, let's see, I'm just going like this. I'm going to like passing messages into quick parse, I guess. Quick parse. Boink, you load, start. Okay. This is probably just the same issue as before, where it's getting the items, but they're not loading properly. So message for processing. No, wait, hold on. That shouldn't matter. Hold on, let's do this. So we're gonna do this. Load, send. Oh, I know what the issue is. I know instantly what the issue is because I'm fucking a dumbass. What the issue is, it's not messages it needs to be messages dot items dot and then it fucking works. I'm a dumbass. Yeah. Yep, that works. Okay. See, it's about massaging it into place, not just slamming it. Alright. So now that I got this, the only issue is message is undefined. Skill issue. Brain dead. Awesome. So now that I'm here, where's the message part coming from? Where's that coming from, though? Message after turn add parameters is undefined. Skipping add. No, hang on. I see the issue. Hold on. Message after attempting to add unprocessed queue is undefined. Skipping add. So just go, message after attempting to add process. Okay. So we're gonna go to here. So whatever this is returning is somehow an error. Adding message, blech. So it gets nullified somewhere back here. Oh, because it's defined as a fucking const. Oh, this is let there, damn. Yeah, that all makes sense. Yeah, okay, that makes sense to me. I think it makes sense to me. That mostly makes sense to me. Process message, yeah. Process message W1 version, yeah. You're frozen. Ah, god damn it. Oh, hi, Rory. For context, I'm already malding, so, you know, don't mind me shitting my pants in terror. Okay, let's see. What the fuck am I doing? So we're doing all of this crap. After do all this crap. This should probably be working now. I don't know where I'm at now. Where's my thought at? So we're doing that. Message after attempting to parse. What? Message after... After attempting to add. Oh, hold on. Message after attempting to add. Yeah, no, because we're worried about the return of this. Yeah. The terror shit? What? What terror shit? What's the terror shit talking about? What? Anyways. Anyways, let's see. Debug print. Yeah. So, process message, I know that is somehow fucking undefined. Which makes no sense to me. Adding message to unprocessed queue. I didn't even see that, actually. Does it return early? Attempting to add message to... Attempt to add... Oh, does it say attempt to add anyone? It doesn't raw message skipping. I'm just gonna reword that. Fucking... raw message is not an object or undefined. Skipping has no snippet or undefined skipping. Okay, so then 480. Whoops, 480. 480. Alright, so I got the debug print, and I got the message. Oh, because I'm doing messages.i when I get to do message. Yep, same issue. Okay, I hate that bug. I'm dumb. That was just me being stupid. Ah, look at this! The unprocessed message queue is working now! And I have snippets of things that I can do to see the message. And I can see, oh my gosh, look. Here's the data, and then the snippet, and then the yeah. Wee! And then, let's see. So then I gotta then deal with the process message, but then, yeah. Okay, that is... Oh, Tib lives. I don't think Tib will live now, because I gotta be done, like, 5 minutes tops. But the exciting thing is that once this is done, it will be, like, legitimately, like, 1 to 2 hours for me to, like, stitch Tib together into, like, a working condition. Which sounds like a pain in the ass, but is honestly fucking wonderful. Let's see, completely, okay, no, debug print message, okay. Is that the message we're talking about? I got a huge curveball a bit ago. How so? Do define. So do I see this starting to unprocessed, or sorry, starting to process unprocessed view thing? Oh, starting to process unprocessed queue. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Unprocessed unprocessed queue. Okay. Debug print, let's see. There's gonna be window. Actually, that works. Sure. Why not? Hang on. Excitement. Visible excitement. Yeah, the living room, helping mom get ready for bed, and she's watching fucking South Park. That is a surprise. Extend to that. Completely process messages. I don't care about message. We're just gonna do this. We're gonna do this dot hashtag messages queue underscore queue. You load send it. Alright. So there's now another issue right in here somewhere. You message debug print oops, you underscore message is equal to you message yoink. That's gonna swap this for p message, p underscore message. Okay. That might be another issue. Why? This is Hugh dot push. There we are. Load, send. Lots of Canadians? Correct. You know what? I think this is about my limit. The good news is that we might not have pushed all the way through, but it's pretty okay for the most part. Like, it's not thrilling, but it gives me a good place to stop because it's basically 1 for loop. Which is fucking amazing to deal with. Let's see, to do, let's see, your next, debugging, session starts here, chuckle, fuck. Alright, anyways, yeah, so we're gonna close, we're gonna close, we're gonna close, we're gonna close. I'm gonna do a quick qgit dash m freaking amazing progress on Tib today. Yep. Alright, so Tib progress has been saved and back up. I'm gonna end the stream. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I will catch you later.
And a special thank you to the members and Tony, because they're the Giga member. They're the highest ranking member. They have the prestige.